Buying a new or used car can be a thrilling experience, but it can also turn into a costly mistake if you choose the wrong vehicle. Did you know that some cars are notorious for engine problems that can drain your wallet? In this video, we'll uncover 6 cars with engines so problematic that they could turn your dream car into a financial nightmare. Stick around to learn which models to avoid and ensure your next car purchase is a wise one. Chevrolet Captiva 1.5 Turbo. On paper, the Chevrolet Captiva 1.5 Turbo appears to be a solid contender in the compact SUV market, boasting 147 horsepower and 250 nanometers of torque. But before you get too excited, there are some serious engine issues that many owners have encountered. The most concerning problem is the tendency for the engine to overheat due to a faulty cooling system. This isn't just an inconvenience. It can lead to severe damage that may require expensive repairs. Another frequent issue is the premature wear of the timing chain, which can result in strange noises and, in the worst cases, complete engine failure. These are not minor glitches. They can cost you a significant amount of money and time. If you're in the market for a reliable SUV, consider the Honda CR-V with its 1.5 turbo engine. Unlike the Captiva, the CR-V has built a reputation for reliability and consistent performance. So, while the Captiva's specs might catch your eye, it's the hidden engine problems that could cost you in the long run. Land Rover Discovery 2.0 Ingenium, the Land Rover Discovery. 2.0 Ingenium engine is another example of a car that promises a lot, but often delivers less than expected. With its luxurious design and off-road capability, it seems like the perfect choice for those who want both style and substance. However, the reality is that the 2.0 Ingenium engine has a history of significant issues. Owners have reported frequent water pump failures and cooling system malfunctions, leading to recurrent overheating. Even more troubling are the problems with the timing system, which can cause the engine to run erratically and may even result in total engine failure. These issues not only jeopardize the vehicle's reliability, but also its resale value. If luxury and reliability are what you're after, the Audi Q7 with its turbocharged V6 engine is a smarter choice. It has a much better track record and will likely save you from the headaches and expenses that come with the Discovery's engine problems. Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 AL Phi 6 Pentastar. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a popular choice for those who need a vehicle that can handle both city streets and rugged terrain. The 3.6L V6 Pentastar engine, in particular, offers impressive power with 295 horsepower and 352 nanometers of torque. But beneath the robust exterior lies a potential for trouble. A common issue with this engine is the premature wear of the valve train components, particularly the rockers and camshafts. This can cause strange noises and a noticeable drop in engine performance. Additionally, the cooling system has been known to fail, leading to overheating and costly repairs. If you're looking for an SUV that's built to last, the Toyota 4Runner is an excellent alternative. Its 4.6L V6 engine has proven to be extremely reliable, making it a better investment than the Jeep Grand Cherokee. While the Grand Cherokee may appeal to off-road enthusiasts, its recurring engine problems make it a risky choice. Fiat 500X 1.4 Multi-Air Turbo. The Fiat 500X is a stylish compact SUV that aims to combine the charm of the Fiat 500 with greater practicality. The 4L Multi-Air Turbo engine promises a blend of efficiency and performance, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Owners have reported issues with the timing system and air control valve, leading to decreased engine performance and unexpected stalling. These problems can be both frustrating and expensive to fix. Furthermore, timing issues can result in erratic driving behavior, making the 500X a less reliable option. For those seeking a compact SUV that won't give you sleepless nights, the Mazda CX-3 is worth considering. Its 2.0L Skyactiv G engine is known for its reliability and has none of the significant issues that plague the Fiat 500X. While the 500X might win you over with its looks, the Mazda CX-3 will give you peace of mind. Volkswagen Golf 1.4 TSI. The Volkswagen Golf 1.4 TSI is often praised for its spirited performance and fuel efficiency. With around 150 horsepower and 250 nanometers of torque, it's easy to see why this model is popular among drivers. However, the 1.4 TSI engine has a history of problems that you might not want to deal with. A major issue is the premature wear of the timing chain, which can lead to serious engine failure. Additionally, problems with the ignition coil and the EGR valve can cause poor engine performance and increased emissions. These issues are not just minor inconveniences, they can lead to costly repairs down the road. If you're looking for a reliable car in this segment, the Honda Civic with its 1.5 turbo engine is a safer bet. The Civic's engine is known for its durability and reliability, making it a more prudent choice compared to the Golf 1.4 TSI. While the Golf may be appealing for its performance, the potential engine problems make it a risky investment. BMW 5 Series 2.0 Twin-Power Turbo. The BMW 5 Series is synonymous with luxury and performance, especially the 530i model with its 2.0-liter twin-power turbo engine. While this engine offers smooth acceleration and decent fuel efficiency, it's not without its drawbacks. One of the most concerning issues is the failure of the electric water pump, which can lead to engine overheating if not addressed promptly. Additionally, the EGR valve and carbon buildup in the intake valves can reduce engine performance and increase fuel consumption, leading to costly maintenance. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan with fewer headaches, the Audi A6 with its 2.0 TFSI engine is a solid alternative. The A6's engine has a reputation for being more reliable and requires less maintenance compared to the BMW 5 Series. While the BMW offers a lot in terms of luxury and features, its recurring engine issues make it a less reliable option. Choosing the right car can save you from a lot of headaches and unexpected expenses. By avoiding these vehicles with known engine problems, you're not just making a purchase, you're making a smart investment. I hope this video has helped you navigate the complex world of car buying. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips and insights on making informed automotive decisions. Have you had experiences with any of these cars? Share your thoughts in the comments below and help others make better choices. See you in the next video.